Welcome to the Alexandria Master Plan Explorer. This is the screen that you'll see when you first click on the link to the tool. Before we dive in, I just want to highlight that the tool includes a feedback form, which you can access by clicking here. We'd love to hear your feedback on the tool and any suggestions you might have for improving it. To start to explore, you can scroll around and click on the different tiles, or you can click on this button here to get started. So this is the introduction to the tool. It shares a little bit about what small area plans are. And then to figure out what small area plan your home is located in, you can type in your address here. I'm just using the Potomac Yard Target as an example. And then you can click enter and then click on the map and it will tell you what small area plan you're located in. And then you can click there to view the plan or view the plan summary. So this page talks about how and why we plan. So as you scroll down, you'll learn about that. And then you'll also learn about the city's growth strategy. And you can take a look at this map, which includes a legend, and you can zoom in and learn about different densities across the city. So this is the plan implementation page. It shares previous implementation reports, and then it also talks a little bit about how plans are implemented across the city. So you can click on those different reports to view them and learn more about implementation. So now we can start taking a look at specific small area plans. So you can scroll down and take a look at the small area plan in context with the rest of the city. And then you can learn about key plan elements, take a look at some renderings from the plan, and then take a look at key plan maps. So you can zoom in on these maps to get a closer look, and then you can scroll through the rest of the maps that we've included in the tool. There are a bunch of different types of maps here. You can zoom in on all of them, and then you can take a look at key projects that are happening in the small area plan. And you can flip between the different small area plans at the top of the page, or you can go back to the overview to click on a specific small area plan you'd like to learn more about. So we'll take a look at Old Town North. You can see that map that shows Old Town North, and then you can learn about the key plan elements and look at all the different types of maps. Just to wrap up, I'd like to remind you that you're welcome to provide your feedback on the tool by clicking here, and I'd like to thank you so much for taking the time to review the Alexandria Master Plan Explorer.